Everyone, today I made this Chinese Mongolian beef, which was requested by a few of my viewers. Hope you enjoy this video. First of all, we are going to dice some garlic and ginger. Simply slice some spring onion into different methods here and cut some dried chilies, which is optional. Now for the meat, we're going to use beef tenderloin, which is the texture we're going to need for this type of stir-fry dish. Simply slice it and marinate with some cornstarch. Make sure each piece is coated with cornstarch. Now we're going to make this sauce mixture with ingredients I have here and simply mix it all together. Once we're done with the prep work, we're going to deep fry the sliced beef for under a minute. Simply remove from the heat. And now we're going to need to stir fry the diced garlic, ginger, spring onion, and chilies until the aroma comes out. Further adding the sauce mixture. Finally, adding the sliced beef and some sesame oil garnish with some spring onion. There you have it. It's pretty easy to make, right? It goes so well with a bowl of rice.